Hi, I'm here at Southern City College, Birmingham. Today we're at Digbeth campus, which is one of 8 campuses. There's loads of courses to choose from. Enrolment has officially started, so I'm going to take you through the enrolment process now. Let's go. Okay, so I've just finished the enrolment process. As you've seen, it's just a few quick and easy, simple steps. I'm now enrolled on my course and I can't wait to get started. So if you want to enrol today, all you have to do is come down to any campus or head to the website for more information.